Did you hear that price of fuel might increase? They might increase from 145 to 175 or 180.
Will that stop the shortage of fuel?
Okay, if it will, would you mind?
I'm asking, if they increase the price of the pump price, will that make it available?
I don't know.
It's a question you and me have to answer. You know where we started? You know where we are? They keep on increasing that fuel will be available, fuel will be available. Now it is not available. Now if we agree that it should go up now, is that an assurance that the fuel will continue to be available?
No. So if they say fuel will be available, if they increase the price, what do you think?
Have we not been paying high prices for things we can get? Yes. Tomato is high, rice is high. Did we not buy? Nigerians are, we are very, very docile people. Just make us comfortable. We can pay the price. You understand me? But the government is not making things available, making things difficult. Even with your money, you cannot get what you want. You see your generation, how they are spoiling Nigeria. My generation, they were fuel. There was
Generation is spoiling Nigeria.
Oh yes, come on.
How are we?
Oh, young men like you can't handle. That's why you went to the village to bring old people like us to come and run the government for you.
I didn't do that.
Huh?
I didn't do that.
Your generation did that. I thought we were moving forward with the past president. Now you went to the village to bring a retired man.
I went to the village to bring him.
Yes, your generation went to the village to bring them. All right? Man should be having his rest. What indices has he? What time has he to Google and know what is happening everywhere? Any more questions, sir?
None. None.
So,
thank you, sir.
If you love this country, right? If you love this country, come out and do politics and save